Hi, this minigame is a simple Pong clone. One side is a player and the other side is controlled by AI. Duplicate a template scene and open it. With tiles, make a simple wall and duplicate it 3 times to form a room. We don't want the ball to escape. We give the player side tag to the left wall and enemy side to the right wall. Give each wall a box glider 2D. For the pedals, you can use these shapes. Set the sprite mode to multiple, select those 2 shapes, and hit apply. Drag and drop them into the scene and rotate them 90 degrees on the z-axis. You can give them a parent game object with these names. We also need a ball shape. Let's create a script for the ball, player, and AI paddle. The ball needs bounciness, so let's create a new physics material 2D. Set friction to 0 and bounciness to 1. Give the ball a secret glider 2D and assign a new material to the glider's material slot. For the top and bottom walls, just add a box glider 2D. The ball needs a rigid body 2D with gravity scale of 0. Give box gliders to the paddles too. And assign the same bouncy material to them as well. In the ball class, write the speed and rigid body variables. We need a method to launch the ball, which is also called in the start function. We want the ball to start randomly on the left or the right side, and also give it a random height. Finally, the ball is launched from these points. Now, if the ball hits the player's side wall, the AI wins, and vice versa. You can give each one a score value. To show the scores, you can use a text game object. Then we update these variable values in the start function and also when the ball hits the wall. For the player paddle code, the paddle should move vertically. To keep the paddle inside the screen, we need to clamp it within a certain distance. Let's create a text to display the scores. For simple AI automatic movement, it should follow the vertical movement of the ball. We compare their heights and adjust the height of the AI paddle according to the ball's height. It also needs to be clamped to stay inside the screen. Give each script to its own game object. And now, here is the final result.